In this video, I will show you how to create hundreds of images in bulk and to create video hooks as well. If this video reaches 1,000 followers and subscribers, I will release a second path where I will show you how to craft scripts that stand out. Every tool I used in this video is free, unlimited, and watermark free. So let's get started. Open your Google browser and search for any image you want to generate. I will type prehistoric Egyptian lifestyles. Click the Images tab and apply the filter by clicking the Tool tab. Select Size and click on the submenu Large. This applies a filter to high-quality images. Now, let's say this is the kind of image I want to generate. Right-click on it and select Save as Image to save directly into your computer. Our next step is to open a chatbot, in this case, ChatGPT. Click the plus icon to upload your reference image. Copy the first prompt. Don't worry, these prompts will be in the video description for you to copy and use. Now paste this first prompt along with your reference image. Click on Enter at the extreme right side. What the prompt does is to extract all the important things that we need from the image for the next step. It gives us the image style, topic, and settings. Also, copy the second prompt and paste it into the chatbot. Within the text, you will see some placeholders that you will replace. For example, I will enter 10 in this placeholder for images. Next, we have the image style. Go back to the first prompt and copy the style from there and fill it in. Do the same for the topic and repeat the process for all the image placeholders and hit Generate, and it will create 10 prompts for you. Now, let's say you want more images. Copy the prompt again and replace 10 with 100. It will start generating a large number of prompts for us. Instead of writing prompts one by one, we are getting hundreds of them instantly.
Now, our next step is to turn these prompts into images. But here is the best part. We are not going to copy and paste each prompt one by one. We are going to make a generation of all the images in one bulk. We will also learn how to generate consistent images, very useful for story-based videos where characters look the same throughout the story. And you will learn how to turn these images into videos as well. Now, let's concentrate on generating images in bulk and saving us hours of manual work.
Open a browser session, search for Whisk, and then click on the extension icon at the extreme top right-hand side. Open the Auto Whisk Nano Banana. Among these options, I recommend we go with version 7.5.1. Let's explore some important settings. You can change the language to any of your choice. For me, I will pick English. This feature is responsible for helping you download all your images so that you don't have to save them one by one. Now, let's generate our images in bulk. Open your ChatGPT, copy all your prompts. For now, let's just use 10. Paste those prompts into this box and hit the Start button. Here you have two options, create a new project or run on this project. Let's click Create a New Project. Now, as we can see, it has started analyzing each prompt and generating the images. And the quality is very impressive, as we can see. Everything is clean and detailed. And the best part is that there are no watermarks, and each prompt generates 2 images. And remember not to close this page, because if you do, the generation will stop. Now, look at the kind of result we got. Let me know if the images are actually saved in my system. Open the PC folder. Then you will see a folder labeled Whisk Downloads. Open it and you will see all the images.
Okay guys, if this video is helping you, consider following us, giving us a like, dropping your comments on what you want us to teach next, and sharing this video with your friends. And if you've already followed, commented, liked, and shared, thank you so much for your support. Then let's get back to the video. I will show you how to set this up, adding the extension and configuring the website step by step. And after that, I will equally show you how to maintain character consistency for story-based videos, and we will turn these images into videos as well. Let's check our results. Look at that. The images are amazing, and the quality speaks for itself.
Now, let us learn how to set up the extension, and we will learn how to generate consistent character images and go as well and turn them into videos. To set up the extension, open your Chrome browser and search for Chrome extension. At the top left sidebar, go to Extension tag and type in the search Auto Whisk. Then select the Auto Whisk Nano Banana /Imagen4 extension. This is the one we will be using. At the top right-hand corner, click on Add to Chrome and click Add Extension from the pop-up. And that's all. the extension is now installed. Open another browser session, and at the top right-hand corner, click the icon Extension, and at the bottom of the pop-up, click on Auto Whisk Nano Banana to add the extension to your toolbar for easy assessment. This is how to go to the website, but you can manually type in the browser session to get to the same website. Click on the extension, select version 7.5.1, and click on Go to Whisk. Now that we are here, let's click on Enter Tool. And everything is set up. Now you can simply paste your prompt here.
Let's see how we can generate consistent character images and turn them into animations or videos. Let's open ChatGPT and ask it to write a short story about a black boy and a white boy living on an island. The AI will start generating the story. Next is to ask ChatGPT to write me prompts for both characters' text to images so I can generate their images. Our next step is to generate scene prompts. Then, write me one-liner prompt for each scene of the story. Now that we have all the essential prompts ready, let's go back to our website through the extension. Close the extension, click on Enter Tool, and at the left top-hand side, click and open this panel. Here is the subject section, where we will add our character. Basically, the person or object we wanted to keep consistent. We have two options here, upload an image or generate one. We will go with generating. So go back to ChatGPT, copy the first prompt, paste it here, and hit the Generate button. At the top extreme right-hand corner, we have our first character. Copy the second prompt and paste it into the second slot. Now we have both of our characters ready. Next is the scene. Scene simply means the environment or location, like room, road, etc. Let's now type in there, a wet and windy island, and generate it. We have our scene as well. Next comes the style. Here, you have to notify the AI about what kind of image you want. Example, cartoon, realistic, cinematic, dramatic, etc. This time we will upload a reference image for style. Now everything is set up. Open ChatGPT again and copy any prompt where both characters are included. Paste it below and choose your aspect ratio and click Generate. Now, here is the result. The consistency in the character is perfectly generated. Here is a very important step. When you generate the first image, make sure you lock the seed number. This will help maintain consistency across all future images. Now it's time to generate images separately. Copy a prompt where only one character is present. Paste it here, and before generating, untick the characters you don't want in the frame on the left side menu. Very important to select or deselect character properly. The white boy appeared alone and stayed consistent across all generated images.
Now, to turn these images into videos, click on the animation icon within the image at the top extreme left-hand corner and simply describe what kind of animation you want. For example, laughing and in a happy mood. These are the animations I created now with these characters. These are the animations we've just created inside this website by turning my images into videos. But to be honest with you, this tool only allows you to generate 5 animations.
Okay guys, but do not forget to follow, subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. This actually helps me create more tutorials for you. Can we get this video to 100 likes? I believe we can.